Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, to my radio. And I remembered that I promised you to make a issue of program that speak British English accent. So today I return to you. What shall we talk about today? Last time our teacher asked us some question. Do you like the idea of keeping bees in cities? Would you like to be an urban beekeeper? Why or why not? How can we protect bees? Bees depend on urban farming. Would you like to see urban guys in your city? What would happen to have such gardens start where you live? 我知道我的 my pronounce of the English, British English, was a little weird. 其实我的英式口音并不正宗啊，只是找了几个关键的窍门的关键的那个重音的点吧。反正我也是菜鸟，无所谓啊，无所谓大家怎么喷我，怎么笑我。刚才问了几个问题，也是上周我们老师问我们的关于城市里养蜜蜂的问题啊。我觉得这个问题不太好回答，因为我们不太接触得到。谁在城市里养蜜蜂啊？我们也不关心。我们是否可以养？有多少人会养这些当宠物在城市里面啊？我们只关心吃蜂蜜。所以，但是我觉得 that's a very pretty that we all killed 马蜂窝 in the city， 他们也很可怜。Okay, and you can answer the question what I asked, and you can comment it in my video, and I wish you to judgment me and my video in my comment, and wish you to subscribe my radio. Thank you everyone. See you next time.